Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. After working through the whole of the ABRSM Grade 5 Discovering Music Theory workbook, my lessons now move to the final section of this workbook where we work through a sample exam paper. In this lesson, I will show you how to address all 7 sections of the exam paper in the format and style of the actual exam. You'll find the full lesson on my Patreon channel if you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, and you'll find the links to that in the cards and in the description box. At the end of this short video, you'll find sample examples taken from this lesson to show you how I guide you through every single exercise step by step to get the best possible marks that you can in this exam paper. When you feel you are finally prepared to take your ABRSM Grade 5 Music Theory exam, I've written an exam technique guide, how to take your ABRSM Music Theory exam. It's full of tips and hints on how to best be prepared for your exam and how to make the best use of your time on exam day. This book is available in either digital format or paperback from Amazon, and you'll find the links to that in the cards and in the description box below. And all of the information that you need can also be found on my website if you visit www.sharonbill.com. Enjoy your studies. Bye.
And so I do suggest that you just kind of sketch out and diagram out to work out the maths. So let's just take it a little section at a time. Here we have 6 semiquavers, which we know from that little number 6 means it's 6 in the time of 4. So whatever's going on here, we've actually got the same time as 4 semiquavers. We're not performing it, we're just looking at the maths, which we know is 1 crotchet beat. So that'll do for starters. Now here we've got a quaver note and a quaver rest, and they too will give us a crotchet beat, and the fact that it's not grouped together with this one is a clue, and the fact that we get these 2 quaver notes grouped together is another clue. We can see that we're grouping in crotchet beats here. Now here we've got a quaver at the end, and then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 demi-semiquavers, and if you remember, a quaver breaks down into 2 semiquavers or 4 demi-semis. So those 4 demi-semiquavers gives us a quaver beat, and as we can see they're all beamed together to give us a crotchet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 crotchet beats, and that's that. So if you just take it slowly, let's see what clues we've got. We've got a B flat, we've got a D flat, an A flat, a G flat, an E flat, there's another D flat, there's a C flat and a B flat. So let's work it out in order. We have B, yep, E, yep, A, D, yep, G, yeah, we've already done D, and C. So everything is correct for a major key signature of G flat major. Nothing unexplained, nothing missing. So is it true or false that the music should be performed playfully? Let's look at the beginning and see what clues we've got. So we know that it's fast, but this is the word here, scherzando. Scherzo is playful, so it's in a playful style. So indeed, it should be played playfully.